Vapor blasting. What is vapor blasting? Vapor blasting is a surface cleaning and refining process that restores the surfaces and efficiently removes contaminants. It is also known as wet blasting, vapor honing, liquid honing, or dustless blasting. The vapor blasting process includes utilizing pressurized water and abrasive blast media to finish a surface. It is also sometimes called slurry blasting because the mix of blasting media and a water together is called a slurry. Slurry blasting involves the process of abrasive media and water being pressurized together in a pressure pot. This is then shot through a blast nozzle and mixed with the compressed air. What are the advantages of wet blasting services? As a whole, wet blasting services promote longer media life and create a softer and smoother finish. Wet blasting can handle many surfaces, however, it is especially effective for aluminum, brass, magnesium, and zinc surfaces. Here are some other benefits of wet blasting services to consider. It's a dust-free process. Instead of cleaning by impact, it cleans with water. It both degreases and blasts at the same time. The water acts as a lubricant or a barrier between the media and the component. During the blasting process, no media is infused into the material. Leaves an appealing satin finish on many surfaces such as aluminum, brass, and stainless steel. Common uses of vapor honing technologies. Professionals use vapor honing for the automotive, engineering, maintenance, and reconditioning industries. Common uses of vapor blasting include the following: degreasing surface finish products, cleaning dyes and mold, removing paint, rust, scales, and carbon, preparing surface for repainting or recoating, satin finishing for stainless steel and other materials, cleaning PCBs and electrical connectors. The cost for your vapor honing project really depends on the size and conditions of the part needing the blasting work done. All these factors contribute to the time and total cost of your vapor blasting services.